Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to add captions to your Facebook DP photo. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make your profile picture even more engaging. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're in, locate the three lines icon on the top right of the page. Tap on it to reveal a menu of options. Next, find and tap on Profile to access your personal profile. Once you're on your profile page, locate your profile picture and give it a tap. Now, you'll see an option that says See Profile Picture. Tap on it to open your profile picture in full view. To add a caption, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Give them a tap, and a menu will appear. Within the menu, you'll find an option called Edit Caption. Tap on it and a text field will appear where you can type in your desired caption. Once you've crafted the perfect caption, tap on Save Changes to apply it to your profile picture. And there you have it. You've successfully added a caption to your Facebook DP photo. Now your profile picture will stand out and convey your message effectively. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.